Contentment, a simple 3-syllable word, but yet depicts so many different meanings to each and every one of us. For some, it means living in a big mansion with expensive cars and servants. For others, it means living in a small cottage surrounded by nature and far away from the busy city life. And then there are some that are like me, who are content with living in the suburbs, not too close to the city, but far enough to cultivate a quiet life. In my quest for a life of contentment, I've discovered that it's not what we have or don't have that brings happiness. What we do with what we have is more important. But ultimately, contentment starts from within. If we have $1 million but feel poor, then that's the life we're going to experience. And the opposite is just as true. I used to think that material gains would bring me happiness, and that was true for me temporarily at the time, until I maxed out my credit cards and was left with a lot of debts. I was forced to look at everything I have ever bought and realize that the things I once thought would bring me happiness are now tucked deep inside my dresser and collecting dust in the corner of my room. With every journey I've ever been on, I've had to face many challenges, and my slow living journey is no different. It requires a lot of practice, patience, and focus to live mindfully and intentionally, of which I am still working on every day. I've had to let go of the things, people, and memories that no longer added value to my life. I've also had to declutter all the things I've accumulated over the years. And yes, I've had to cut up all my credit cards. Living a slow lifestyle has helped me value and appreciate the simple things in life, reminding me that true happiness comes from within. And although my life seems more quiet nowadays, in actuality, I am more awake, energized, and alive than I've ever been. I hope that you too are cultivating your own life of contentment, whatever that may be for you. As for me, I'll be taking it one day at a time, slowly, mindfully, and intentionally.
do.